In this particular video, I'll be showing you 7 different websites that will pay you $30 once you refer people to their platforms. There are 7 of them, and in this particular video, guys, I'll be showing you these 7 different websites that can actually pay you money, and they're going to pay you at least $30, and they're going to pay you through different platforms, which could be through PayPal or directly to your bank account. Now, I've created a video on how you can actually create a PayPal account right here in Nigeria. These PayPal accounts can actually send and receive money. So if you're looking for a way to create a PayPal account that's going to send and receive money right here in Nigeria, be sure to go watch the videos that I've made on PayPal. They can actually help you send and receive money right here in Nigeria. And also, before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to this particular website that I'm going to show you in this video. There are 7 of them. These 7 platforms, you can actually drive traffic to this particular website to be able to make the most out of what I'm going to show you in this particular video. Now, it is not just knowing this particular website that is important. You need to know the website, and then you need to have a format to drive traffic to this particular website. Now, when you drive traffic to them, you make money. That's literally how it works. All right, so I'm going to go to my laptop screen right now, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to be able to make money online with this 7 website, at least $30. All right, but before I do that, guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. All right, so if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon. Now, what that does is that when I upload videos like this, you get notified, so I put into action what I show you. One thing is to actually watch these videos that I show you on this particular channel, and another thing is to put into action. If you just watch my videos and you don't put into action what I show you in this particular channel, you're not going to get results. You're going to watch this video year in, year out, and you're not going to see any progress. So be sure to put into action what I show you on my channel to be able to make the most out of it. All right, now if you have questions, opinions, suggestions, anything you want to let me know, be sure to drop that in the comment section. All right, and if at any point you start getting value, which I know you're already getting value from this video, be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, so that the algorithm is going to know that I'm doing a real thing and show it to a wider range of audience. All right, so without further ado, guys, let's get to my laptop screen, guys. Hello guys, welcome back. And the first platform we're going to be looking at is PayPal.com. Alright, so PayPal does not work in all part of the world, but it works in most part of the world. But then that is not a limitation. Whether it works in your country or does not work in your country, you can actually hop up on the affiliate program and refer people to PayPal.com and earn money. So it says here, start something great. You can earn £10 reward when you refer a friend. And also in dollars, you can earn $10 when you refer a friend. Now, if you refer a friend, you earn $10. That means if you refer like 10 friends, you're going to earn $100. If you refer at least 10 friends, you earn $100. All right, so it's one way to start with. And I'm going to show you the ones that can actually pay you up to like $30 per referral. So this is like we want to start with. So PayPal.com is the first one. But let's talk about the second one. Now the second one is also a payments platform, and it's called Payoneer. Payoneer helps you to send and receive money, and it works almost in all part of the world. And all you have to do is go to Payoneer.com, sign up with them, and get a referral link. And once you get a referral link, you start earning money by referring people to their platform, and you can actually earn up to $25 per referral that you send to their platform. All right. So we're still going to move up so we can earn at least $30. So stay tuned. All right, now I'm going to show you before the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get the affiliate links for these platforms, because I'm not affiliated to any of these platforms, so I will not even be referring you to these platforms, but I want you to make money, so I'm going to show you how to get these referral links yourself. All right, so that is for Payoneer.com. Now the next one is called PangiaMoneyTransfer.com, and you can actually earn $25 for each friend you refer. Upon sign up, if you refer a friend, you earn at least $25, and you can refer as many friends as you want. It means that the money you can make with this particular platform is really unlimited. You can earn as much as you can on this particular platform. All right, so let's get to the next one, and let me show you guys the next one. The next one is called Acoms.com. Now Acoms.com is simply like other platforms that I've shown you, or it's more like a banking, earning and investing platform where you can actually save your money and do all the rest. All right, and to make money with this, be sure to sign up for the affiliate program, and then you're already making money. And with Acorns.com, you can make at least $5. That's the minimum you can make with Acorns.com, and you can refer as much people as you want on the particular platform, right? On the particular platform, all right? So that is it, and I'm going to show you the next one, which is also going to help you make more money. It's going to help you make more money. Now let's look at this one. It's called Western Union Affiliate Program. Now, you know, Western Union is actually more like it's a financial system that will help you to move money around the world. Now, you can actually make an unlimited amount of money with Western Union, and the least you can make with Western Union is $25 upon referral. That means if you refer someone to Western Union, you make at least $25. So all you have to do is join the affiliate program, recommend their products, their services to people on different platforms, and then you earn $25 per referral, right? It's very, very easy. Now, I know you're getting value from this video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, subscribe, and be sure to leave this video with a like and drop that comment in the comment section if you've not dropped that comment. Alright, so the next one which I'm going to show you right here is called Wise.com. Wise.com has a partnership program that can actually help you make money online. It's also a financial system, right? And you know, one thing with financial systems is that it can pay more for you to refer people to them. It can pay more for you to refer people to them. That is why I'm making review. I'm actually showing you this system, right? So go to this particular platform, sign up for the affiliate programs. And remember, I told you guys I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for their affiliate programs. I'm going to show you how to sign up for the affiliate programs, and after that, I'm also going to be showing you how to also make the most out of these platforms by showing you traffic methods that you can actually use to promote this particular platforms. All right, and they are free. Of course, they are really, really free. And now we have the last one, and the last one is called Share or Sell. And this platform, Share or Sell, can actually allows you to publish content. You're a content creator, you have a website, you're a content creator. This particular platform can actually help you monetize your platform, and once you refer people to their platform with your monetized content, you earn at least $30 when someone signs up to them through you. Alright, so it's really that simple. And guys, like I told you guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually drive traffic to these platforms. Alright, so now we're done with these 7 different platforms that I promised to show you guys the affiliate programs. Now I'm going to show you how to get these affiliate programs, because one thing is to know the ones I've shown you. So what if there are programs, there are products you want to participate in? What if you want to participate in them? How can you participate in them without me? Now this is how you can do this. Be independent, right? So come over, if going to a particular platform, we're using Share or Sell as an example. All you have to do is scroll down, get to the bottom page. If you get to the bottom page, you're going to see what will have useful links, resources, and connect. For each website is going to be different, right? So each website is going to be different. So come over where we'll have useful links right here at the bottom page. At the bottom page, make sure it's usually at the bottom page. You're going to see affiliate or refer a friend. Either you see refer a friend or you see affiliate. So click on affiliate. Once you click on affiliate, it's going to open up and you're going to get redirected to the affiliate program. So this is basically the affiliate program I showed you guys earlier on Share or Sell. Now with this affiliate program that I've shown you, you can actually do whatever you want. So for every product you see, if they have an affiliate program, it should be in their footer page in the bottom section of the website. Now this is one way to actually get this program. Now the next way to actually get this program is by typing the program name. Is by typing the program name. So let's say Western Union. So let's say Western Union and add something like affiliate program, Western Union affiliate program, and click on enter. Once you click on enter, it's gonna pop it up, and if they have an affiliate program, you're gonna have it. So join Western Union affiliate program, and then you should also see here where it says refer a friend. So once you click on refer a friend, you see this. Join the Western Union affiliate program, and you see the information you need to go through. You sign up, register with them, and then you start making money. Now, how do you make money with these platforms? Because I already told you, it's one thing to know these platforms, and it's another thing to actually make money with these platforms. Now, how do you do that? I've actually recorded different free platforms that I get traffic from. and I'm going to share that with you guys here. So the first one that you need to actually get on is Instagram. Now, if you look at Instagram is actually a free place. It has millions of visitors every month. Now, if you actually create content around a particular product consistently, you get traction from people, and then you put your affiliate link in your bio. People click the affiliate link in your bio, they get redirected to these particular programs, you make money. They refer and they sign up, you make money. It's that simple. The next one is Pinterest. Once you can be able to inspire people on Pinterest, you can actually make money with the affiliate link. Inspire people with your pictures, with your teachings on Pinterest. I mean, pictorial teachings on Pinterest, and watch you working thousands of visitors to your affiliate link using Pinterest. It's that simple. Now the next one is YouTube. YouTube is actually really underrated, but then it's one good place to actually sell your links. It's actually one good place to sell the product. So you can actually make review videos that is centered around a particular product on YouTube and then sell it. So let's say I want to make a review video on this torch. This is a torch light, right? So I can actually record a video on this torch light, talk about it, explain it to my audience, and be able to sell it to my audience using my link, right? So people contact me, or I send them a link where they can go and buy this torch. I can send them a link where they can go and buy a phone. Now, what if I make a review on Western Union? If I make a review on Western Union, then I add an affiliate link attached to it, and then people come to get to your Western Union using my affiliate link, which is in the description section, and then at the end of the day, I make money from this. It's really that simple, right? All right. So the next one, which is second to the last one, is join forums on Facebook. There are different forums you can actually join on Facebook and actually make money on Facebook. Join targeted forums. So let's say I am selling a product that has to do with mic. Now I'm going to join forums of YouTubers who are going to need this particular mic to actually create content, right? Let's say I am selling a cap, which is this. I'm going to join a forum of people who need this cap to actually sell this particular cap to them on Facebook. There are certain groups for them. Now, if I also want to sell a weight loss product, I'm also going to join programs which is about weight loss and then sell weight loss products to them. So there are people who want to carry out transactions online. They're on Facebook, financial groups. Join them, make a review, talk about Western Union. Be sure that you are actually impactful, and then sell them your link. It's that simple, right? Now the reason why I'm saying this last one is because we have this affiliate program here, which is Share a Sell. Now the last one, is Share a Sell, is you can actually get on Share a Sell and start making money, but then you must need to have a website. Create blog posts for your website. Create blog posts on your website. Get a website, write blog posts about a particular product, and infuse your affiliate links on those particular blog post on the blog post, and then watch your earnings skyrocket. What people click your earnings when they've gotten value. When they've gotten value, they will want to sign up. And once they can only sign up using your affiliate link if you provide them that affiliate link in your blog post. Now you can actually get your website on with the paid version by actually buying from hosting programs like we have Bluehost, we have GoDaddy. Buy from them, buy from registrars, and then post with them, and then write your content. It's that easy. Or you can do this using the free version, which is the free blogger website. Search for free blogger website, create your own blogger website, and write reviews about this particular affiliate programs that I've shown you, and then about this product I've shown you, and then refer people to these programs and then make money. It's that simple. All right. So I know you've gotten value so far, and I know I've been able to show teach much about this seven websites and how you can make money with these 7 websites. All right. So if you've gotten value so far, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you've not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, drop your comments, and like this video, and be sure to put into action what I've shown you in this particular video. It's really important that you put into action what you've learned so far. All right. So without further ado, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. It's going to be a peace out, and talk to you guys in the next one.